What is mediation? There are many books and movies on going to court, litigation, and trials, but very few on mediation. So if mediation is unknown or unfamiliar to you, you're not alone. Here's an overview. Mediation is a way of dealing with conflict, which many parties choose because they believe they'll get a better result than they would through litigation. Mediation is a cooperative process. But this doesn't mean that parties get along. They usually don't. In fact, parties such as couples are often angry and concerned about themselves, their children, money, and their futures. The mediator, a third-party neutral, helps the parties focus on the here and now and what they want for the future. On their own, parties tend to argue about the past. Parties can and do work together in mediation, for instance, by sharing information, much of it financial. Mediation is very different than litigation, which by definition is an adversarial process. I'll discuss the differences further in other videos, but for now, we'll set out some of the hallmarks of mediation. Mediating a separation or divorce often takes 3 to 6 months. Litigating a divorce often takes years. Mediation generally costs a fraction of what litigation does. Because parties are working together and are focusing on the future, mediation usually results in less bitterness and anxiety than litigation, where the court looks at the past and assigns blame. You're the experts in your lives and know what you need. In mediation, you can discuss and consider whatever options you want to, but a judge, often overwhelmed with cases, has very little opportunity to get to know you as an individual or as a family. And so court's decisions rarely reflect your unique circumstances. Because parties in mediation reach their own agreements, they're more likely to stick to those agreements, as opposed to litigants who have decisions imposed upon them. Thank you for watching this overview.